For math today, we are going to find the area of different shapes. We are going to decompose or break apart the shape to find the area. We are going to break apart the shapes into triangles and or rectangles. We want to find the least number of triangles and rectangles in each shape. If I draw a line right here, I will have a triangle right here, and I will have a rectangle right here. Now that I have decomposed my shape into the least number of triangles and rectangles, I'm going to find the area of this rectangle first, and then I'll find the area of this triangle. To find the area of a rectangle, I'm going to find its length and multiply it by its width. The length in this rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And the width is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 times 4 equals 28. The area of this rectangle is 28. Let's find the area for the triangle. First, I'm going to identify the base and the height first. The base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sort of looking at it sideways. Base is 6, and the height, I'm going to look at the height. This is the top of the triangle, and it's going to come straight down to meet the base. The height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And thinking back to our previous lesson, I can think of half of the base, and then I'll multiply that by the height, because in one of the lessons you learned that if we took half of this triangle and flipped it around to this side, okay, we would make a rectangle and then find the area, and we still have half of the base. So I'm going to think 1/2 of my base, which is 6. 1/2 of 6 is 3. So I have 3 times my base, which is 5. And 3 times 5 equals 15. So the area for this triangle is 15. Now that I have found the area for both of the shapes, I'm going to add the numbers together. I have 28 plus 15. 8 plus 5 is 3. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So my total area for this entire shape right here is 43 centimeters.